Case studies of successful property investments around the world. Chapter 5, Africa. South Africa, Cape Town's tourism-driven property market. Overview: Cape Town has become a prime destination for tourism-driven real estate developments, focusing on hotels, resorts, and vacation rentals. Key strategies: tourist attractions, proximity to beaches, mountains, and cultural sites made the developments attractive to tourists. Cape Town's natural beauty and diverse attractions were key selling points. Luxury amenities, offering high-end facilities and services, such as spas, fine dining, and adventure activities, catered to affluent tourists. Unique experiences like wine tours and safaris were included. Marketing campaigns, promoting Cape Town as a premier travel destination through global marketing efforts. Campaigns highlighted the city's unique attractions and luxury accommodations. Outcomes: increased tourism, surge in tourist arrivals and spending boosted the local economy. Cape Town became a top destination for both leisure and business travelers. Economic growth: the tourism-driven real estate developments created jobs and supported local businesses. The economic impact extended beyond the hospitality sector to include retail, transportation, and entertainment. Property value increase: appreciation of real estate values in tourist areas provided substantial returns for investors. The developments also spurred further investment in surrounding areas. Guidelines for investors: leverage tourist attractions, develop properties near popular tourist sites to attract visitors. Offer luxury amenities, provide high-end facilities and unique experiences to cater to affluent tourists. Promote globally, use international marketing campaigns to highlight the destination's appeal and attract a global audience. Nigeria, real estate development in Lagos. Overview: Lagos, Nigeria's economic powerhouse, has seen significant growth in residential and commercial real estate development. Key strategies: infrastructure development, improving roads, utilities, and public services supported new developments. Infrastructure upgrades were essential for attracting investment and ensuring project success. Economic zones: establishing special economic zones to attract businesses and foster economic growth. These zones offered tax incentives, streamlined regulations, and other benefits to businesses. Affordable housing: initiatives to provide housing for middle-income families addressed the growing demand for affordable living spaces. Public-private partnerships and innovative financing models supported these projects. Outcomes: urban growth, rapid development and modernization of Lagos positioned it as a leading city in Africa. The city's skyline transformed with new residential and commercial buildings. Job creation: employment opportunities in construction, real estate, and related industries boosted the local economy. The projects also created long-term jobs in property management and services. Improved living standards: better housing options and amenities improved the quality of life for residents. The developments contributed to urban renewal and reduced overcrowding in older parts of the city. Guidelines for investors: invest in infrastructure, focus on projects that improve public services and utilities to support development. Utilize economic zones, take advantage of special economic zones to benefit from tax incentives and regulatory support. Provide affordable housing, develop housing projects that cater to the needs of middle-income families to meet market demand.